Now I'm going to work on mounting, well, not mounting, building a mount for this grinder that'll stay attached to the bottom, and then whenever I want to use it I can just rest it in the vise and clamp it down, because the table is way too small to have two things mounted to it, so it'll be like a portable grinder. It's like frozen in time. An old piece of 1x8 in the garage. Got a little water stains on it, but it's pretty straight other than not looking pretty. So the 1x6 that I was using to mount in the vise is too small, but this will fit fine. So this ought to hold it. I'll just put this in like this, clamp it down when I need to use it, give it a solid surface. I always save old screws from any projects that I'm working on. You usually have an extra screw or two and save them, because you never know when you're going to need them. So I was able to find these three, which are the proper depth and head. This one is a little bit wider, but I can still utilize that, so it saves me a trip to the hardware store. Alrighty, let's cross our fingers. This thing's been sitting in a box for 29 years. Cool. Hey, look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. I'll wait for the noise here. It's made in America. Holy cow. Haven't seen that in a long time. Even though it's plastic, it's still made here in America. Cool. Now I just need something to grind. Thanks for watching.